Hello, welcome back to my channel, TESL Online Classroom. I'm Dr. B. My email address is drb.tesltutor@gmail.com. Log on to my website, http://www.tesltutor.com. Today we're going to learn the sounds of the English language. There are two types of letters in the English language. One is the consonants and the other is vowels. Okay. All right, these are the vowels in the English language. A, E, I, O, U. Now, there are rules in the short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. For the short vowel sound, when one syllable word has a vowel in the middle, usually the vowel in the middle has short vowel sound. For example, A says A as an apple. E says E as an egg. I says I as in iguana. O says A as an octopus. U says A as an umbrella. The rule in the long vowel sound is when words have two vowels next to each other, usually the first vowel has long vowel sound. The first vowel says its name, and the second vowel is silent. For example, the letter A says its name, A as in angel. E says its name as in eagle. I says its name as an island. O says its name as an ocean. U says its name as in unicorn. Now, let's practice reading words with short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. One syllable word, one syllable has short vowel sounds. One syllable word, the middle are vowels. This column has long vowel sounds. It has two vowels in each word. The first vowel says its name. The second vowel is silent. Listen to me as I read them aloud. Okay? The egg, bag. Oh, egg, leg. Big, big. Jug, jug. Bug. All right? Your turn to read the words. All right? You ready? Ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready. Very good. Let's practice reading the words with long vowel sounds. Ache, fake. Meat, meat. Bike, bike. Oat, note. Huge, huge. All right, it's your turn to read all these words with long vowel sounds. You ready? Very good. Here are some more long vowel sound and short vowel sounds. This is the vowel chart. Apple, at, elephant, net, letter I, igloo, pig, letter O, octopus, dog, letter U, umbrella, sun. Long vowel sound, letter A, acorn, cake, letter E, eagle, leaf, letter I, ice cream, kite, letter O, ocean, soap, letter U, unicorn, and the last one, glue. We will practice some more on short vowel sound and long vowel sound. All right. High five for all of you. You did a great job. Very good. Thumbs